To override the current program for a set time on your LunaTouch, we can set a temperature hold. Press the menu button to show the menu tabs, and press repeatedly until set hold is flashing. Press OK. Using the arrows, set the number of hours for the temperature hold. Once you've set the number of hours, press OK, then set the target temperature. Please note, if you have holiday mode set, this will take priority over the temperature hold. Press the power button. This has now set a temperature and you can see the hold left time in the top right. The day and current time is hidden during this operation, until the hold time has gone back to 0.